Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So guys, do you want to know about hot tea shop reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. Also, people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. So now we'll talk about the website's type and the products they deals with. So this is the main homepage of this site, as you can see. And after checking, we have found out that this website is an online shopping store which deals with textile products. They offer products like shawls, bed covers, cushions. Then they offer swing shawls and many other textile related products. So if you're interested in checking out their products, you have to visit their official site. Next, we'll check their payment method. For that, you have to scroll it down and here you can find it. So they have given the payment options. You can pay through Amex, Apple Pay, Google Pay, then MasterCard, Maestro, PayPal, Visa, ShopPay, and so on. Now let's check their shipping policy. So if you want to know about the shipping timing, go to the shipping policy. So here they've given the shipping timing for Italy and its islands, and also Europe, USA, and Canada. So the shipping timing for Italy and its islands, it takes 1 to 3 working days, and in Europe it takes 3 to 5 working days, and in USA and Canada it takes 10 days. So you can check this out. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's discuss about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now, if you want to know about the domain information, so this website was registered on 5th of March 2020 and it is going to expire on 5th of March 2022, which means this website is 1 year old. So now if you want to know about their About Us details, go to the About Us page section and here they have given some details about who they are. And they've also given the business establishment here, as you can see. So this is a good sign. And they've also given about their business founder. Here, as you can see, who am I? So you can check this out. So now if you want to know about their contact details, go to the contact page section. So here, as you can see, they have given the full contact details. They have given their physical address, their contact number, and also the email address. Also, the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this site. But there are some other email address as well. Here, as you can see. So you can check this out. So now if you want to know about their social media presence, well, this website does have social media presence. It has got social media presence on Instagram. And the amount of followers is over 2,500. Now, if you want to know about their return and refund policy, well, they do not have any separate page section for their return and refund policy. But if you go to the terms and conditions, if you scroll it down, here you can find they have given the information about the return and refund. So it hasn't mentioned that if you want to return the product, you can return it within 14 working days. And about the refund, they have said that. So they have mentioned that they will refund you by the same payment method of the purchase order. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check out description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. So now talking about the hot tea shop reviews, there are no single customer review of this website anywhere. And the trust score of this website is 80%. And the business trust ranking is not available. Also, the content quality seems to be plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the hot tea shop reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. As you can see, this website is quite new. It does not have any reviews, though it has got social media presence. So it might be a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.